you took out of it, because you made a decision there to fight somebody that was incredibly overweight.
Yeah. I don't even think I knew how much weight she was over when I said yes to the fight. It was like, she's not making weight. I'm like, well, weigh-ins hasn't even started, so, but no, she's definitely not making weight. So, I mean, I knew she was big. I
mean, you did the gangster fighter thing, right? Like, I don't care. I'll fight anybody, anywhere, anytime. That's a great attitude to have.
Yeah.
But this is also a profession.